Okay guys, I bet you are ready to see how Saturn looks like in real life when you zoom into his clouds. In 3, 2, 1, drum roll. 3, 2, 1. How he really looks like. Here's his atmosphere. Here are its upper clouds, there are its downer clouds, but what are actually in its downer clouds? Only the upper clouds, we already know what that is, but on the downer clouds, actually not. And some people discuss that in the downer clouds, there's actually a solid surface, but Saturn is like Jupiter, so it has no solid surface. So, this is the background from the Saturn. Well, down there is actually a storm instead of up here. Because here up is the beautiful, peaceful heaven where you can sleep. Okay, not sleep. But down there is the worst of all hell of its heat, of its heating core. Down there the storms, and yeah. So we're gonna discuss today about Saturn's sides. So you know Saturn may be a really beautiful planet, and maybe some kids even imagine that. Only know that Saturn's a gas giant, that the rain looks like this, but the rain doesn't look like that. It looks like it's actually this, and it's actually really dark on Saturn's downer side. So Saturn's downer side might be the worst, scariest part of the solar system. One of the worst. Yeah, you got me right. So the worst, I mean, it's so bad that you may actually pass out. But you can only go to the upper clouds or the middle clouds. Okay, the middle clouds are also dangerous. So today we're gonna watch Saturn on Google. So I need just to open the browser. Okay guys, I found it, and it's over here. It was actually found by the Saturn spacecraft, which is over here, and it's next to Saturn. Look, here's its hexagon in motion. Okay. But you saw those little tiny dots there, didn't you? I think that's Saturn's lightning. Here, look, here's the actual. Look, see that? How it's actually swirling through everything? Look at that. This hexagon is actually the largest storm on Saturn. So, Saturn's storm is the largest in the solar system. What is that, bro? And here's like the word. Yeah, shut up. That's not the word cloud. Nip. Well, what I'm trying to do is this. The Cassian spacecraft. Well, you can see the mission. We got the mission. We got spacecraft. Saturn's tour, yeah. And we're gonna go to space engine and turn the exact same thing on and try to find Saturn's top. Okay guys, we have found Saturn, and here's its top. Here's its storm thingy. What I'm gonna do now is fly to the top and send a rocket. Fly inside of Saturn where its northern lights are. Great. Nearest body. Destroy spaceship. Build. We got space engine. Close space. It's gonna be a shuttle. Okay, no. It's gonna be this. Build. Here is it. Skylon, wait a second, let me just go over here and type in flatten this object. And this Skylon will actually fly into Saturn. That's why it's facing Saturn. Now it's gonna fly into its Lagos. Okay, it's taking already a trip in Saturn. Okay, is it orbiting Saturn or what? Please don't orbit Saturn. I command you! No, it's not. What? But this cannot. Oh yeah, it is hitting its ground. It already crashed into Saturn. Okay, I think now it's going down the clouds. I can already resist it's going down the clouds. So it didn't land where it's critically is, so I'm just gonna land there. And I see a part of the hexagon. I can see it. Here's that bad boy, there it is. We can see all the planets, that's a planet. That is always Jupiter, that's Jupiter, you see. Just flying right now. Velocity is gonna be really fast. So it could just be that I just fly out of its center. Yeah. So Saturn is critically like in this position. Let's see the actual position where Saturn actually is. So let's just get out of the Milky Way galaxy. So Saturn's position is I got out of the galaxy, basically. There we go. But today, we're not just gonna do that. We're gonna check on every planet, even series, everywhere. A day cycle. An actual day cycle. So let's first do it on Mercury, which is the closest planet to the sun. Where's the sun? Where's the freaking... Where's that freak right now? Yeah, okay, now I see it. See your sun. Takes so much for Mercury's day cycle. Now it's nighttime on Mercury. It takes so many hours, like it takes like 2 whole days. Okay, now we're gonna velocity ourselves to Venus. Venus will be our next waypoint. This time we'll do with clouds. It's nighttime on Venus. Now it's without clouds. Without clouds will be So that's the sun. Now the sun is gonna go down this way. Now it's dark. Ooh, here are stars. Now our sun is rising up. Here is it. Now everyone knows what the day cycle on Earth is, obviously, you know. Oh my god, Earth is faster than I expected. I think Earth is the fastest planet spinning for the day. Is it? Or maybe is it not? We're gonna even look half sky to see a moon. Oh, Polaroids! Now it's a cloudy day, sir. You win your cloudy day. Now it's a cloudy day. That was like in the polar section. So you could see maybe when it's nighttime, it's like Austria right now. You want to see the polar lights, but you can't, or the northern lights you could call it. When it's clear sky, you could have seen it somewhere. Or even at night. Now maybe it is dark. You can greatly see it. Here's it. Flat Mars is distant. Mars somewhere over here. Mars also has a few clouds, but we can just, don't mind if I do. We can just see a little bit. Let's start the day cycle. Now it's nighttime on Mars. Now it's daytime again. Now we're somewhere at the edge of nighttime. Or half this edge. Now the next we're just gonna do now this with the series. I think it's the same as Mercury, but let's go to its glowing spots. Let's go over here and go to Abdomite and turn it a bit on higher. Abdomite. Because Abdomites want to have a larger atmosphere. So now we can see how actual nights look like on planets instead of just seeing dark ground. Bup! Tap that boy, and now it's nighttime, now it's finally daytime. Now let's fly to Jupiter. Here's Jupiter with its humongous rings, dude. Here's Jupiter's atmosphere. Exposure. But with the Abdomite, when the Abdomite is off signal. There we go. Now let's spin her. Now let's spin Jupiter. Jupiter takes like less than this. And Jupiter it's only like 4 to 10 hours. Wait, where are we actually? Are we at the top of Jupiter? We're actually over here where its polar lights are. But its polar lights are pink, so it never comes nighttime. Next one, we already saw day cycle on Saturn, so let's fly to Uranus. Uranus is all the way down there. So here's the blotch of Uranus. Smudge clutch. Here's it. This is daytime. Okay, I think nighttime passed. Now let's go to Neptune. Neptune is a bit darker, but it has a crack spot actually. Let's go into Neptune, which already looks like a broke star actually. See if it close. Let's just. Woo! Alpha, now it's nighttime on Neptune. And now it's daytime. Yeah. That was the best, stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. Okay, now it's Pluto. It's time for Pluto. Oh my god, it's so smudged. It's like Pluto took his paints off. I guess he did. Okay, let's just not before he cries. Let's go land on the heart over here. Next stop, Haumea. Okay, I didn't know Haumea is in it. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. Let's land on a little oval spot. Did I just find a little footprint? Look. Haumea also has some kind of little hearts. Haumea has here a little heart. Let's go land on that heart. Or let's go land on this giant crater from now on. This Haumea has the biggest crater, I guess. Yeah, it does. Haumea is like the fastest spinning planet of all time because it's so oval in shape. This is how fast Haumea really spins. We slow time all the way to 1. Next one is Mac, which is Make for no reason. Make looks almost as Haumea, but with no atmosphere, even though when I click on has none of those. And Make takes quite a while, so it's just sweet time. It's like Make has no nights. I believe in Make. He has no nights. Or he actually does. Next planet is obviously Eris, which almost looks like Pluto's moon Charon. Oh my. Well, actually, Eris. Did I just fly out of the planet? I flew out of the planet, obviously. I mean, dwarf planet, not planet. Does Eris really spin like that? Eris spins something like that, and there's its moon to snow me up. Now let's find a chemical comet. So here's our comet belts. Great, I found an asteroid. Or it looks like it's a little like launching. We're literally like exploring systems right now. Whoa. Star HIP. We're not looking for a star. Or do you call it a comet? Yeah, it's a Kuiper belt. Still, it could be like that. Let's just quickly turn orbits off and watch this little mermaid orbit our sun. This little mermaid is getting so quick. Okay, tons of years have already passed. Thanks guys for watching and good. Bye.